Hey everyone, welcome back to Ride TV 2.0. Today we're tackling a common issue faced by Epson L130 printer users, the blinking error that indicates the printer ink pad is at the end of its service life. This can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. So without further ado, let's start! What does this error means? This error indicates that the ink pad which collects excess ink to prevent leaks is full. The blinking light signals that maintenance is needed. Don't worry, it's a simple fix and it doesn't mean your printer is broken. Here's what you need to resolve this issue: the Epson L130 resetter. And if you're interested, I provided a download link in the description down below where you can grab the file. Be sure to check it out. Once downloaded, open and run the Epson adjustment program. Click select. And here you will choose your printer model. So this is the model supported by this adjustment program. Select your port where your USB is connected or your printer is connected. Then click OK. And select particular adjustment mode. So here in maintenance, we will choose the waste ink pad counter. In order to fix this error, click OK. Click waste ink pad. Click main pad counter and click check. In case you encounter communication error or error code, click OK. Then remove your USB cable of your printer, then reinsert. Then click check. So there you go. You will see 6,209 point, and which is the maximum is 6,207 point only, and it's 100%. So let's fix this one. Let's click main pad counter, then let's click initialize. When the OK button is clicked, counter will be initialized, and then click OK. Say it's initializing now. So let's just wait. Again, if you encounter this communication error, click OK. Remove your USB, then reinsert. Click initialize again. Then please turn off your printer. Please reboot the printer. Click OK. And there you go. The printer is now printing. That's it, you've successfully fixed your Epson L130 printer without replacing the waste ink pad. Remember, the only way to fix this issue without replacing the ink pad is by using an Epson resetter. Make sure to download the correct Epson resetter and follow the steps outlined in our video. This will help you reset the printer and get it back to working condition. Remember also that this is a temporary solution and the ink pad will eventually need to be replaced. So there you go. Now we will test again the waste ink pad counter, or we will check again. So let's click check. As you see, 0 points and 0%. If you have any questions or encounter further issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video!